Cheers to my fellow anime lovers. Yeah, this is Miku. Miku is an anime character. So I decided to draw an anime character. So Miku came to my mind. For every sketch and that I start with a post. You know, there's a way the posts have an impact at the end of your drawing. So I make sure that I take a moment to study the reference. So now the post is ready. Then the next stage is to add more details like the chest region, the face, see the air. As you can see, I started adding the air. Started adding more details to make sure that the image looks start coming out one after the other. Slowly by slowly, everything began to make sense. That's the tie. She was putting on a tie. I think Miko Krata always put on a tie. She has a long hair, and this is basically the way she dresses. So that's the hand, that's a finger. So that's what that sketch is meant for the finger. A position, like she stretch her hand forward. Looking at the proportions, the lightning, the expression, and the little details that makes the subject so unique. See, at first, lines are always the foundation. They may look simple, but they are the guide for everything that follows. Once the outline is in place, I begin to refine the features, making small adjustments until everything feels balanced. Like you can see, I started with the posts, and from the post, I started picking out the main features, started adding more details, and more details until the sketch style comes to life. Then here comes my favorite part, adding the shadows and the arching layer by layer. Each stroke builds depth, texture, and dimensions. It reminds me of how professions come intertwined together, engineering and arts. The ability to reproduce, to fabricate, to develop. You see, every drawing is a reminder that a great result don't happen at all once. They are built through patience and attention to details. You see, as the contrast grows stronger, the sketch slowly comes to life and starts start as a blank sheet, then a simple post become a finished piece with its own character and story. It's a unique thing for you to bring out something out of nothing, for you to build something from scratch. There's this feeling it gives you, and I believe that no one's an island of knowledge. If you put your mind to it, you do it. I believe if you put your mind to something and you're passionate about it, you definitely get it. You might not get exactly what you want, but at least you get something similar and you have this sense of achievement. So this is to you out there watching this. Take your time, start that thing that looks so difficult for you. Just start it anyways. Don't think about the perfection, don't think about the time, stop procrastinating, just do it. Just do it. You discover when you do it the first time, do it second time, then it becomes normal. And from there, you become a master at it. So, if you're an aspiring artist or you have things that you are doing but you are too scared to show it off, my guy, show this thing off. Let us see this cue. If you stayed to the end of this video, I want to say a very big thank you. Thanks for watching the process. And if you enjoy seeing sketches come to life, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more artistic journey together. Alright, till the next time. Bye.